Welcome back to my channel. So today I have some autumn or fall cards for you that I made. So I used this Pinky Mane scallop rounded die, and I used these Miss Cuddles Fall Days die cut pack, and you have over 60 die cuts. And there was some nice stuff in there in the end. So I'll show you the cards that I made. So the first one was this pumpkin patch. And so the paper pad I used, also forgot to mention, was some old paper pad. I don't even have the name for it any longer because that's how old it is. And so, yes, my die cut, my last one, because this was the last one I made, and I ended up making it cricket, and I was like, I can't fix it without turning it, so whatever, a bit wonky. But that's fine. He don't mind it, and I don't either. They'll probably get used to the kids anyway, so I don't mind it. They won't mind it. So I used this, the pumpkin patch, and the duck or whatever kind of animals is, and the pumpkin. So that's that one. This one was, oh my goodness, I love this guy. This guy, when I saw this guy in there, oh gosh, I loved him. So I took some leaves, and then I had the little small pumpkin and the acorn, and it says falling in the air. And unfortunately, I only had 3 sentiments in there, so I had to bring in some sentiments of my own. But I love this guy. So, and then this one has this pumpkin, and it says thankful. And this one was one of quite quite simple one. So this was like the third one I made in the end. So, but it was quite simple and nice in the end. This one was the first one I made. As you can see, I went all out. So, and this one, oh, this was another nice one I made. It says Fall Days, and has little, I want to say chicky, ducky, and I like this one too. So these were the autumn, fall cards I made. So I hope you like them. Thanks for stopping by. Like and subscribe. See ya until next time.